All right, it's time to meet our Fox best friend. Yoshi brought in Callisto.
Yes.
Hey, Yoshi, how are you?
I'm good, thanks. You guys?
Good. So
Good.
tell us about Callisto here.
Well, Callisto is an 8-year-old Chihuahua mix. She actually came from Arizona. I learned today that it's one of the most overcrowded shelters in the nation, and so we get a lot of their animals sent up to us. We don't know a ton about her, unfortunately. They think that she may have been a stray, which is interesting for me to kind of get that concept because she's 8. Yeah. So at some point, I'm sure she had a family, but we'd love to get her a new family now. She weighs about 13 pounds, and unfortunately, that's about all we know about Callisto.
Well, I think she's going to like the weather here a lot better than Arizona.
I'm surprised she's panting right now.
Right?
I mean, it's so cold here.
Exactly.
So what's her adoption fee?
It is a name-your-own price, and, you know, she is actually, I forgot to mention, she's super friendly. Okay. This is actually why we brought her in today. As soon as she saw us, she started jumping up, wanting to go for a walk, and so we said, you know what, you're coming with us. The other ones kind of just stayed in bed. So, yeah, name your own price. So, right. Yeah, good deal.
You want to donate to the Humane Society. Thanks, Yoshi.
Thank you.
Here's all the information you need to give a call about the dogs or cats they've got there, the Humane Society of Utah. It's 801-261-2919.
Hi there, Max. What